Hello guys, listen to this. Dating a man without money is not the problem. Dating a man without effort, responsibility, or intention is the problem. Money comes and goes. People go through phases, struggles, and rebuilding seasons. A man can be broke today and still be hardworking, respectful, and committed to becoming better tomorrow. What truly matters is not what he has in his pocket, but what he carries in his mindset and his actions. Does he show up? Does he thrive? Does he take responsibility for his life and for the relationship? A relationship cannot survive on love alone if one person is doing all the work. Effort is shown in consistency, communication, and willingness to grow. Responsibility is about accountability, not excuses. Intention is what separates someone who is just passing time from someone who is building a future with you. Guys, don't confuse potential with promises that never turn into action. Choose someone who may not have everything yet, but actively working, choosing you, and building with you. Because love should feel like we're growing together, not I'm carrying us alone. Thank you so much.